and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo here. Welcome to Mark Castillo's Freedom Breakthrough YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired. In today's video, I want to share with you another episode of Affiliate Marketing Tips with Mark Castillo. If this is your first time here, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So I know this is probably a few months late, but hey, better late than never, right? I remember a few months ago, I won a $500 contest giveaway just from getting positioned and taking action in the opportunity that I'm currently building right now. Now, I've got to say, it was amazing and such a shock to me that I won $500 cold cash just simply by showing up, taking action, and getting positioned. But I want to ask you something, because I don't want to be putting the focus on, oh yeah, it's so great to win $500. That's nice and all, but I don't want to put the focus on that. I want to ask you something. Do you find contests to be intimidating? If you do, I wouldn't be surprised, because I used to think the same way too. I remember back in middle school when I entered talent shows, even like going into high school, I entered as a dancer and I was so close to winning, but I never won. And when I started on my digital entrepreneurship journey back in summer of 2016, throughout that time span, there were a couple of affiliate contests going on. The first one, I didn't win. The second one, I didn't win. I didn't get picked. So here I was hearing my mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman, making an announcement that they're going to be hosting a $500 cold cash giveaway from anybody who gets positioned in this opportunity that I'm currently building right now. So I figured to myself, the night that they were holding that giveaway, I thought to myself, well, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't show up because probably I'm not going to get picked. It's probably not going to be for me. It's probably going to be for somebody else. But if I had that kind of mindset and I didn't show up, I wouldn't have won the $500 like I did. And here's the problem. Most people don't show up for success. They don't show up, which is why most people simply fail. That's right. Most people don't show up for success, which is why most people fail. They don't believe that they deserve success. And that's a problem, because if you keep telling yourself that you don't deserve something, it doesn't matter how positive you may be on any given day. If you don't believe that you deserve it, it will never happen. And another problem is they assume. They assume that it's not for them before they even give it a shot. If I assumed that I wasn't going to win the $500 contest giveaway, do you think I would have made a milestone post about it, talking about how amazing of an experience it was for me to win $500 cold cash? And I've never been the kind of person to win contests before, to win giveaways like this. Never. So you can imagine my reaction when I actually won and my name was picked. If I assumed that I wasn't going to win, I would have missed the boat completely. So what do I want you to take away from all this? This all sounds great. It all sounds amazing. But what is it that you can take away from this? Show up for success daily. That is what I learned from my mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman. You want to show up for success daily. There's no exact day of when to show up for success. Just show up every day and take massive action, keep growing, never stop learning, and keep working on yourself more than you do the business. Oh, and another thing, and this was the big lesson that I learned, one of the biggest lessons I learned from them. Never tell yourself that you don't deserve something. Never question that. If you don't believe that you deserve it, It doesn't matter how positive you may be on any given day or during a certain time. If you don't believe it internally that you deserve it, it won't happen. All the things that you want in your life, that you desire the most, if you keep telling yourself over and over and over again that you don't believe that you deserve it, it will never come. It will never come. Do you believe that you deserve success? Do you believe you deserve to live the life that you want to? Do you believe that you can absolutely accomplish it? Those are the questions that you need to ask yourself. So, I trust you got value from this video. And you might be sitting there and watching this video right now wondering, what is this opportunity that I'm currently working on and building? Here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to click on the link directly below this video and come join me on this journey of transformation. You'd be surprised at what you find inside. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already. With that said, my name is Mark Castillo. I want to thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Have a fantastic day. I will see you on the next video real soon. Take care.